In this video, I will show you how to delete ClassPass account. First, go to the ClassPass website and log in. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Now on the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see a small chat icon. That's the ClassPass AI chat. Click on it to open the chat window. In the chat, just type delete account. The AI will respond and walk you through the process. It will also let you know that once your account is deleted, your email, phone number, and payment info cannot be used to create a new account again. So this is a permanent action. If you're sure, look for the option that says Continue Account Deletion and click on it. Then just follow the AI's prompts. And that's it. Once you complete those steps, your account will be permanently deleted. So make sure you're really ready before going through with it. And that's how you delete ClassPass account.